What's up guys, today we are going to enhance the oven's power. So Brent already bought some heating elements. As you can see, these are the heating elements. He bought 4 of them. We're going to put these 4 heating elements in the oven. These ones are going to stay there, down there. One is going to stand up and another one is going to stand like this in the air. So that way we will have a pool of heat and the oven will be heating up very quickly. So we're going to use this 3-phase relay. That way we can spread the electricity over 3 phases and the electricity will not be solicited as much as putting it on less relays. So Brent was also looking for a PID sensor. That way we would be able to look when the heat we want is achieved, but that is very expensive. So we're first going to make the oven like this, and then maybe when everything is working perfectly we're going to add that. That way it will be a nice upgrade. For the moment we're doing everything manually. If we have the PID sensor, the heat will be achieved automatically. So, quick break. If you are ever wondering why we have so much parts over, like this wooden door, it's because Brent breaks a lot of stuff. So this way, if we break something, we have some replacement. So yeah, if you work with a guy that breaks a lot, be sure to order too much stuff.
First work, we have to take the door off. Like this! 200 pounds! Fuck! Mooi.
So I took a template of this cardboard. It's the same template for these holes. So now we're going to draw it on the inside. So for a moment we already put the 2 elements in there. Now we're going to put the 3rd element. So now that we have put the elements in the oven, we are going to attach the cables to the electric system. So on every right part of each element we have 1 cable that goes to the 3 elements, and that is our nil point. Then we have the left part, and that is divided in 3 different cables. So as you can see, the cable comes through here, and here we have to drill a hole so we would be able to keep the cables under the wooden exterior. As you can see, we finished the oven and the part looks amazing. We are very happy with what we built, and yeah, it's a very nice oven. If you want to build one, you can try to do it like us or something in that type of way. Depends what you want to powder coat. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you later guys.